Good afternoon, Sir Rosal. So today I will be discussing the GR number 21792, January 24, 2019, with Fredo P. Asayas, the petitioners versus Sea Power Shipping Enterprise, Incorporated in Ave International, SA. In significant labor case, Seafarer Wilfredo P. Asayas filed complaints for illegal dismissal and unpaid wages against his employer, Sea Power Shipping Enterprises Incorporated. Asayas was initially employed as a third officer on MT Samaria, but complications arose when the vessel was sold, leading to his repatriation. Though promised a transfer to another ship, the MT Platinum lease never materialized. Instead, it was assigned to the MT COET211, which was also sold before he could start. Asayas pursued legal action, and the labor arbiter ruled in his favor, declaring his termination illegal and awarding him compensation for the unexpired portion of his contract. The National Labor Relations Commission (NLRC) affirmed this ruling. However, the Court of Appeal (CA) reversed the decision, citing that his dismissal was valid until rules permitting termination due to the sale of vessel provided repatriation and compensation. The CA also pointed to a signed compromise agreement as a waiver of his claims. Asayas appealed and the Supreme Court ruled in his favor. The court stated that the CA erred in its judgment as the labor arbiter's decision had become final and could no longer be altered. The employer had not filed a timely appeal. The Supreme Court reinstated the original award, emphasizing the importance of stability and legal rulings and Asayas' right to compensation due to his unjust dismissal. This case underscores the complexities of maritime labor law and the court's role in protecting workers' rights. The main issue in this case is whether Wilfredo P. Asayas, a seafarer, was illegally dismissed from his job when the ship is working on was sold, and if he should be paid for the remaining months of his contract. Asayas was employed in the MT Samaria, but when the ship was sold, he was sent back to the Philippines with a promise that he would be transferred to another vessel. However, this promise was not kept, leading Asayas to file a complaint for illegal dismissal. The case, first heard by the labor arbiter, who ruled in favor of Asayas, stating that his dismissal was illegal and awarding him the remaining pay for his contract. The NLRC affirmed this decision. However, the Court of Appeals later reversed the ruling, arguing that Asayas had signed a quitclaim agreement, waiving his rights to any further claims. When the case was brought to the Supreme Court, it ruled that the Court of Appeals made a mistake. The Supreme Court said that the earlier decision by the labor arbiter had already become final and could not be changed. Since the NLRC had followed the law correctly, there was no abuse of discretion. In the end, the Supreme Court reinstated the decision in favor of Asayas, confirming that he was illegally dismissed and entitled to the payments awarded to him.